Welcome to Production Expert, my name's Dan Cooper. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at iZotope's new Nectar Elements plugin. And it's got a new feature called Vocal Assistant, not too dissimilar to the Master Assistant in Ozone 8 or the Track Assistant in Neutron 2 and Neutron 1. And this is quite interesting, so it's well worth a test. So in this video, we're going to use one song as an example to see what this is capable of. But if you'd like to hear more examples of this, do click the link in the description below or the card at the top right of the screen to hear those examples. So when we load up an instance of this, we get this main display here. We've got 3 vibes to choose from: vintage, modern, and dialogue. I'll keep it in modern for this. And 3 intensities below. Again, just going to keep it on moderate. And yeah, we hit go. And the vocal assistant goes through its process.
Baby, when you find me, won't you bring me back alive? Well, I'll come out nice and slowly, my hands held to the sky. But I won't pretend I'm sorry for everything I've done, breaking all the hearts.
So we get 6 controls here: pitch, automatic pitch correction, clarity, which is a subtractive EQ. The vocal assistant works out a curve and we can then adjust the gain of that curve. We've got de-esser, again, set by the vocal assistant. Dynamics, again, vocal assistant works out compression, and you just choose how much squish you want. We've got tone to the right of that, and space, which is quite a short, sweet reverb. So let's put this in playback and have a little fiddle with these controls.
You're not the first. Others came before you, and Lord, they added words.
Okay, let's have a little go with the pitch correction.
All I've ever wanted is the world to know my name. I'll go down in history before I go up in flames.
Okay, it sounds like it's set to a chromatic scale. A little bit too much.
I'm the one who murdered love.
Set it somewhere between, see if we can get it sounding transparent.
Yeah, I'm the one who murdered love.
Yeah, you don't want too much of that. So we'll go with the clarity.
Look a little closer and tell me what you see. Well, I try to do my best, but love got the best of me.
Back that pitch off a bit.
My heart was turned against me. Had to put it
Yeah, it sounds fairly transparent. A little bit scoops in the low mids.
and to lay love in the
So I
ground.
don't need too much of that.
'Cause I'm the one.
DS.
Yeah, I'm the one who murdered love.
To be honest, this vocal doesn't really suffer much with sibilance.
Yeah, I'm the one.
Keep that low. Dynamics.
I'm the one who murdered love.
Okay, it's quite nice so far. It's nice that when we set values that the level doesn't change. That's very, very useful. Let's have a little go with the tone and space controls.
The first. Others came before you, and Lord, they added words.
Brighter.
All I've ever wanted is the world to know my name. I'll go down in history.
That's nice. Space.
Before I go up in flames. Yeah, I'm the one.
Before.
I'm the one who murdered love. Yeah, I'm the one who murdered love.
Excellent, does a pretty good job there. If you'd like to hear more before and after examples of Nectar Elements, do click the cards at the top right or the link in the description below. Also, if you'd like to find out our verdict, what we think about this, again, click that link and head on over to Production Expert, where you'll also find the link to download this demo. Hope you guys got something from this. I'm Dan from Production Expert, and I'll see you again soon.
In the ground, 'cause I'm the one.